Hi, my lovely friend. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check Docker version in Windows 11. So before we have learned how to install in Docker, now we will check the Docker version on Windows 11. So for this case, we have to go to the CMD mode or command prompt mode. Click here. Then we have to write what? Write Docker is version. See, here I have installed before, which has been included client, server, engine, etc. Here the version is 24.0.7. Here the server version Docker desktop, which is the version is 24 also. API version means 1.43 minimum that have version have been installed. Here the OS, that means it's Linux or AMD 64 base, which have included in the package or the container, which are version is 1.6.24. Here the git commit is this number. Here the version docker init version this. Here in this command, so we will learn or we will here get it the all kinds of version from Docker that have installed in this package. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.